Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your Roblox audio problem. So to show you an example, I'm just going to hop into a random game, alright? So I'm just going to play this game real quick to show you guys how to fix your audio. So let me just enter the game, and remember, if the audio is not playing in one of your game, you can also try to switch your game. If the audio is available in another game, then that means the game which you are currently playing didn't feature the audio option, alright? Now when you're playing Roblox, what you need to do is press escape key at the top, and then it's going to open this thing. From over here, click on where it says settings. Once you click on setting, over here it's going to show you the volume option. Make sure it's on, because sometimes the volume option is this, which means it's completely muted. Make sure your audio is right comfortably, and your problem should be fixed. Once you do that, you can just click on where it says resume and start playing your game again along with its audio. But let's say like doing that also didn't fix your problem. That means the problem was not with Roblox. In that case, what you want to do is at the bottom right corner, you can see your little, speaker icon. Now over here, as you guys can see, my speaker is muted. That's why I'm not able to hear any audio. What I need to do is unmute my speaker. So I can just click on the speaker again and click on this little cross, and my speaker will be unmuted and I can start hearing the audio again. So that is basically how you guys can fix the issue. And the other thing you can do is right click on the speaker icon and click on where it says open volume mixer. And from volume mixer, it's going to show you Roblox as well. Make sure your Roblox meter is turned on, because if it is off or like it's way down over here, then that means you're not going to hear the audio and your problem should be fixed. So these are the methods you guys can follow in order to fix your Roblox audio issue. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future Roblox videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.